burning me.
Woo! We're rolling, baby. Danny Bolton here from the Big Island of Hawaii. Homies with Decked. Guess what? We got some new deco case colors coming out, 3 of them. You may know we had some classics, black and desert tan. But now you can add a little spice in your life. You got Ranger Green in case you want to go a little incognito, a little camo. Or you want to be seen. Look at this blaze orange, baby. Then, you just want to be cool, you want to be the cool guy, you can chill with cool gray. How do you choose which one of these colors is right for you? You might like this color if you spend a lot of time in a place like this. Or this. Or this. Or this. The Sixer, the Half Rack, and the Honcho. All come Ranger Green. Then again, blaze orange. You might want this color if you're carrying some tools to a construction site, kind of like this one. Or if you just want a super visible way to store things, hey, like safety equipment. Whoo-hoo. The Sixer and the Half Rack, both available in blaze orange. Finally, cool gray. Doesn't absorb heat like some of the darker colors, so it's a perfect option for using in the sun. Or on a boat, kind of like that one. I'm using this Sixer as my tackle box, and this Half Rack is my toolbox. You don't want to be caught at sea without tools on your boat. No matter what color you choose, all these deco cases stack together without tipping. And of course, they're always made in America, and they're gonna fit perfectly inside your deck drawer system. So, which one of these colors is right for you? This ain't easy, dog.
Oh, you can put it down.